Like all her kind, she prefers to live alone, to avoid any fights. But if she's to find a mate, she needs to drop her guard. A male, almost twice her size. She approaches cautiously. And he's showing his nerves too. It's an awkward start to a date. So to break the ice, this apex predator shows her softer side. In rarely seen behavior, she starts to flirt, making herself vulnerable and her intentions clear. Eventually, he drops his guard, and when he begins to follow her, it's a sure sign that he's interested. In a discreet moment, the shy pair mate. They won't stay together for long. He will soon leave to defend his territory. They both prefer a solitary lifestyle. But 6 months later, she has new company.